Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the difference between delete and delete square brackets in C++. Both delete and delete square brackets are used to deallocate memory allocated on the heap using the new operator. But there is one basic difference between them. Let's understand this with an example. Here, we are allocating a memory on the heap to store a single integer like this. Now this line will allocate 4 bytes on the heap and return a pointer pointing to that memory location. After that, we can access the data at that memory and change its value. Once we don't need that memory, in that case, we need to deallocate the allocated memory. For that, we can use the delete operator. Here we allocated a single object on the heap. Therefore, we can deallocate it using the delete operator directly. But if we allocate an array on the heap, for that, we need to pass a subscript operator here like 10, and we can rename the variable also. Let's remove these two lines. Here we allocated an array of 10 integers on the heap. Now we can access the individual elements of the array on the memory directly using the pointer. To access the first element of the array, we can pass the 0 in the subscript operator. It will overwrite its value. Similarly, we can access the next element. And once our usage is done, then we need to deallocate the memory. But here we have allocated an array, not a single object. So we cannot just use the delete operator here. If we do like this, it will result in an undefined behavior because it will try to deallocate a single element from the memory. But we have allocated an array. So in that case, we need to use the delete square bracket operator to deallocate the array from the heap. So that's the basic difference. So if you are allocating an array on the heap using the new operator, then you need to use the delete operator with square brackets. Whereas if you are allocating a single element on the heap, then you need to use the delete operator without square brackets. But you cannot mix and match. Like here, we have allocated a single object, and if we try to deallocate it using delete square brackets, then it will be an undefined behavior. Similarly, if we allocate an array on the heap like this, and we try to deallocate using the delete operator simply like this, then it will also be an undefined behavior. So remember this, if you are allocating an array on the heap, then you need to use the delete operator with square brackets. So that was the basic difference between delete operator and delete operator with the square bracket.